Hi friends, welcome to the Sitara. So today we are going to learn the important vocabulary of chapter 3, that is types of sources and historical construction of ancient India NCERT book. This will help you in the preparation of your competitive exam and other exams also. So let's start. Our first word is innumerable, which means very large number of historical sources. Next, mound, raised soil covering remains of ancient settlements. Next, excavator, archaeologist who digs historical sites. Next, antiquity, ancient origin or age of an object. Next, corrosion, damage to metals over long time. Next, inscription, historical writing engraved on stone or metal. Next, hoard, group of buried coins or artifacts. Next, paleography, study of ancient scripts and handwriting. Next, carve, two cut figures or letters on stone. Next, engrave, to inscribe deeply on hard surfaces. Next, decipherment, reading and understanding ancient script. Next, pictographic, script using pictures as symbols. Next, incise, to cut letters on inscriptions. Next, interpolation, letter additions made to old text. Next, speculation, historical guess based on limited evidence. Next, phonetic, script based on sound values. Next, precept, which means rule or teaching found in text. Next, brevity, use of short and precise writing. Next, compilation, collection of information from many sources. Didactic, text mean to teach moral lessons. Next, canonical, text accepted as authoritative. Next, secular, non religious historical records. Next, corpus, large collection of texts. Next, patronize, support given by rurals to scholars. Next, primitive, early stage of human culture. Next, depict, show scenes through art or carvings. Next, ornate, highly decorated objects or structures. Next, conquest, winning land by force. And last word, inside, understanding gained from historical evidence. Thank you for learning.